Alright, what's good, y'all? I'm back. I had to take a break because I was working on a project and because I had to prepare for a career fair. But now I actually I was doing a Neetcode just for fun, but now I gotta study because I gotta do like a OA. So I gotta lock in, bro. Okay, so for trapping rainwater, it's a hard question, but I feel like it's not that hard. So first, we're gonna need a left, a left and a right pointer. So L is going to equal 0 and R is going to equal length of height minus 1. We also need to keep track of the max left and the right pointer. So we're going to initialize it with max L and max R. Then it's going to equal height at L and height at R. Then we need to return the maximum area of water. So that's going to be our result. We can just initialize it with 0. Then after that, while our pointers are valid, we want to check if our max left pointer is less than if it's less than our max right pointer, then we want to increment our left pointer. That then we also want to update the max left pointer by the current max or the value at our left pointer. Then after that, we gotta add the difference of our max left pointer minus our height. That's gonna give us the area. Then we just add that onto our result. Then else we just do the opposite. So if it's greater than, then we want to decrement our right pointer. Then update our max R pointer. It's gonna be equal max of the current max, right, and add our right pointer. Then we just do the same. Max R minus height at R, just like that. Then that's basically it. Then we can just return our result. Yep. Yeah.